What's the real difference between a gambler and a professional trader? A gambler focuses only on the potential reward. A professional trader focuses first on the potential risk. This mindset is the foundation of trading success, and it's called risk management. The number one rule in this business is not make money. The number one rule is protect your capital. Think of your trading account as a fortress. Your capital is the lifeblood that keeps it operational. Without those walls, you're out of the game. A strong defense is what allows you to survive long enough to win. So how do we defend the fortress? The first tool is position sizing. A core guideline is the 1% rule. Never risk more than 1% of your total account on a single trade. This means you could endure a string of losses and still be in a strong position to keep trading, because each individual loss is just a tiny dent in your armor. Next, you need a favorable risk-to-reward ratio. This simply means you should only enter trades where the potential profit is significantly larger than your potential loss, ideally at least twice as large. This way, one winning trade can make up for multiple small losses, putting the odds in your favor over time. Your stop loss is the tool that enforces these rules on every trade. Together, this defensive strategy is what separates professionals from amateurs. It's not about avoiding losses, it's about ensuring they are small and manageable. Protect your capital, and you'll always be able to trade another day.